Energy Saving Support Software EcoAdviser 07 Advanced Operation 04 Diagnosis. This video explains how to check the results of diagnosis. Please refer to the movie 06 Basic Settings 03 How to Set About the Diagnosis. Introduction. Equipped with the AI technology of Mitsubishi Electric MySart, the system provides total support for energy-saving activities, from understanding the current condition, identification factor, diagnosis of energy losses to effect verification of energy-saving measures. What is MySart? MySart is a brand name of Mitsubishi Electric AI technology that stands for G. Mitsubishi Electric FSAI creates the state-of-the-art in technology, representing our wish to make things G-Smart H with our unique AI technology. The three main features are as follows. We will explain how to check the results after diagnosis using these three features. Energy and loss extraction. Execute energy and loss diagnosis. Enter the start date and end date of the diagnosis. Click it. The energy and loss ranking is displayed for each facility. The ranking table currently displayed is saved in the diagnosis panel. The Save panel is available on the dashboard. Click Dashboard icon. Enter numbers or phrases. You will check values of the energy saving viewpoint in the table. When there is any deterioration point in the day, it is displayed in red with underline. The diagnosis result is displayed in the graph for the selected energy saving viewpoint. Energy and loss factor diagnosis. MySart automatically diagnoses. Click it. MySart automatically diagnoses the factors of energy and loss and displays the items that are highly correlated with energy and loss in the ranking, so that the factors that cause energy loss can be clarified. When the user evaluates yes or no to does this information help you? MySart learns the validity and reflects it in the next diagnosis. To reflect your evaluation to EcoAdviser, click the Apply Evaluation button and close the window. Tips are displayed regarding the energy and loss factors selected in the ranking table. The graph above shows the data distribution and average value of the energy and loss factor. The graph below shows data of the detailed energy and loss factor selected in the ranking table. Improvement result check. Check the improvement result. Enter the diagnosis period you want to compare. Click it. Simply select before improved and after improved a diagnosis period to display the comparison graph before and after the energy saving. With this function, users can check and review the effects of energy saving and continuously carry out energy saving activities. Select an item of the energy saving viewpoint to display in the graph from the pull-down menu. Dashboard creation. Please refer to the video 05 Advanced Operation 03 for the overall setting method regarding dashboard creation. For creation of dashboard, place the diagnosis panels. Click it. Drag and drop from the list. Drag and drop a panel to place on the dashboard. Enter numbers or phrases. Here is an example of completed dashboard.